Hi, everyone. This might be a little bit of a longer tap. Um, this is a tap along for anyone who's been evacuated in Florida, family members who may be out of state and worried about family members in Florida. My family is in the Tampa St. Pete area. I'm grateful that my mother is here. My siblings are in Florida. And yeah, I mean, waiting for what's going to happen with this storm is extremely anxiety producing. There's not a thing we can do other than take the measures that we can take, right? Evacuating for those who are impacted because their families are there. It's just waiting, right? But the waiting can definitely activate our stress response. It can get our little amygdala all fired up, launching us into fight, flight, freeze, or fawn. And although we cannot change the circumstances of Mother Nature, taking some time to tap and deliver our nervous system some calm, I think, is one of the best things that we can do, because we're far better equipped to handle whatever is thrown at us if we are in more of a calm state. So I will do one setup statement. Generally, in clinical EFT, we do three. You can feel free to replay this video, replace it with your own words. Honestly, the words are not that important. The words are just used to tune you into how you're feeling. So anyway, I'm just kind of improvising it here. I just feel moved to do this. So anyway, going to the side of your hand. Even though Hurricane Milton is bearing down on Florida right now, and there is nothing I can do about that. And I'm so scared, and I don't know what's going to happen. And I'm probably thinking about the worst possible outcome. And it's so hard to sit with the discomfort of waiting for something bad to happen. Right here, right now, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. All right, we'll go to the top of the head, and I'm just going to start saying some things here. I'm so anxious right now. I feel all this anxiety in my low back. Just say it wherever you're feeling it. I might be feeling angry that we're getting hit with a hurricane again. I feel so overwhelmed right now. I'm so worried about what's going to happen to my home. I'm out of state and I have family members down there, and I'm worried about them. It's so hard not to run scary scenarios in my mind about what might happen with this storm. It's so hard not to jump ahead to what the worst case scenario might be. This makes me so worried about my future. This makes me so worried about where I live long term. Everything in the news is just so frightening right now. I'm honestly just doing the best that I can. It's so hard to wait for something hard to happen. It's so hard to wait for something that is really bad. I feel so much overwhelm right now. I'm so frightened about all the different scenarios. All right, let's pull it into the moment. Right here, right now, in this moment, I am safe. Right here, right now, if I'm watching this video, I am safe. Right here, right now, I'm sending my nervous system some calm and soothing. Right here, right now, I am doing one of the best things I can do for my body and my mind. Right here, right now, I am open to the possibility that whatever the scenario is, I'll find a way to figure it out. Right here, right now, I choose to take this one moment to calm myself. Right here, right now, I'm just letting myself be truthful about how I feel. Right here, right now, I am sending some soothing to my central nervous system. All right, take a deep breath if you can. And I just want to send you some calm from my heart space to yours. So here we go. Taking a deep breath. Calm. 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 Wherever you are, I am sending so much love, whether you're in Florida, whether you're out of state and have relatives who are impacted. You are held. You are held in prayer. You are held in the highest thoughts. And if you can, tap along with this video. Feel free to replay it and replace the words. Please consider this a love offering from me to you. And I wish you all the best and hope for the highest good for your safety and well-being.